Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our March Madness days 23 through 26. Before we jump into that, I wanted to share with y'all just some updates. I have 16 members in my Ko-fi subscription. I have 3 in the Scribblers Club. I have 5 in the Sketchers, and I have 8 in the Doodlers. So I have a ton of packages here that I'm going to be mailing out today. I was so excited putting these together, and holy guac, you're going to love it if you're in one of these clubs where you get the physical challenges. I also wanted to share, I have the happy birthday. This is for if you're in the Sketchers Club. It's a general happy birthday with holographic stickers on it. If you're in the Doodlers Club, I have a personalized one. It looks different than this. It's not the same design, and it has your name on it. And I'm also going to be sending you a custom like mini savings challenge. If you're in the Sketchers Club, you get these 2 challenges this month, and I throw in a little freebie for you. But there's this bunny hop savings challenge where you're seeing which bunny makes it to the top, and there's my printed version and laminated version of my April group play, the Springlings, which is just these little bugs, and you can decide how much you want them to be worth. If you're not in my Ko-fi membership, if you're not in any of them and you just want to get this and print it off yourself and play with us, we'll be playing this in April, so you can grab a copy there. This one is not available unless you're in the Sketchers Club and I send it to you. It's not posted on my Ko-fi at all. And this one, same is for the Doodler members. This is a laminated scratch off for April, for Peeps' sake. So if you're in Doodlers, you get both of these plus the digital copies of all the challenges that I already showed y'all. So thank you all so much for those of you who have joined any member of the, or any tier of the memberships. I am so excited every time I see that little notification, and I'm working on sending out challenges. If you are thinking about joining, just know that after the 23rd, I will not be sending out any April challenges anymore. The next set of challenges that you'll get will be for the month of May. So just know that, be aware. And yeah, thank you all so much for those of you who have joined. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to set up March Madness and we'll get into it. All right, so we're going to jump into these savings challenges for March. I have $46 here. We stole some the other day when Aria was doing her cash stuffing. So that's why it's like a random amount. Each challenge is going to get $2. We are saving about $10 a day, but I had a few extra funds come in, and I think I'll have quite a few extra next week with all my side hustles, because I did get some money, like I cashed out my PayPal and stuff like that. So next week is going to be a big one, a grand finale, if you will, of March Madness, because I think I have about $100 in side hustle money coming in. So that's so exciting. I'm so happy to save some extra money this month and put it towards fun stuff, because usually all of my side hustle money goes towards debt, but this month we're gonna see what we do with it. To be honest, we might still put it towards debt, but you know, we'll see. We'll see what we can do. All right, I don't think any other ones had 5. No. So, okay, we're going to keep rolling with these ones. Challenge number 4, challenge number 5. I really want to get out of debt, guys. And so it's just hard. Like whenever I have extra money, like that's what I want to do with it. Just like so that I can pay off my debt. But I also, you know, part of me wants to just use it for fun stuff, but then I feel guilty because I have debt, and, you know, it's a process, but, all right, 1, 2, oh, this one got 5 again. Oh my goodness, this one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's our last 5. And you just have these ones. They're so unorganized right now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to my type A people. I just like, it's not something that I notice. I only notice it because I notice other people do it, and I know that people like it, but like if I'm just sorting money myself, like if I weren't filming, I probably wouldn't even worry about it, you know? But I like to give the people what they want, you know? I want to keep y'all happy, so keep y'all coming back for more. So there we go. All right, starting with this one. This is by Beach Life Budgeting, and we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4 into here today. Buddy is playing with his little ball tower over there. Let me see if I can show you. Gosh, oh my goodness, you guys, I have not been recording. I don't know how long it's been. Okay, anyways, with this one, we have budget with Jessica. We are adding $8, so we're crossing out 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we have $1 extra left over. Sweet. So 7 in here, 5, 6, 7. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice. All right, let me mark on here. Today is the 21st. Yep. And we have $15 with this challenge. Let me put a little paper clip on it. Let me make sure that I put, that I did this one. 3, 21, how much was this? 5, I think it was 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. $9 with that one. Okay, and then I don't know when I stopped recording, but we added $4 to this one, so we have 8 total. This one is by Budgeting with Chris, and this one is mine. It's Here, My Lucky Charm. We added 8 to this. So we crossed out these 4 2s, and we have $31 in here now. So those ones are not finished yet. All right, moving on. Now that I'm actually recording, I have no idea where we stopped recording, guys. I'm so sorry. Probably when I went to show y'all Buddy, it stopped recording because I accidentally hit the button and I didn't realize. But anyways, okay. Whoa, this one got a lot. 5, 10, 15, 16. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold on. My brain is doing the math. Hold on. 12. We have 15, 16. That's $4, right? That we need to get rid of. 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. Okay. Ooh, I was just double checking, guys. Okay. Yes. So we have, it should be saved 20. So, and we have 20 in 5s. Okay. Perfect. I'm so sorry, guys. My brain today, it is definitely the end of the week. I'm going to grab this 20 out and put these 5 in here. All right, so that is that. And we finished another challenge. This one was by Teacher Mom Budgets. Thank you for creating that challenge for us, and for putting the amount that we are supposed to have, because my brain could not handle it today. All right, next we have this one by Wild Everest Co. I think it's Wild Everest Co. and then Wild Everest on Etsy. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is our first time doing this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and that is a good start for that one. Let's see if we can finish up any other challenges today. So we have these 3 remaining, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra dollars. Can we finish this one? No. I don't think we can finish any of them, guys. So let's just do these 2 3s here, because then next time we just need 2 1s here. So we should have 37 in here now. Let's count real quick. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 32. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Is that what I said? I don't even remember. 37, 38, 39. That's weird. Okay, I'm not sure if that's correct, but we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Okay, so we have 3 challenges here that we're still working on, and we have 3 challenges here that we finished today. Woohoo! So we get to put those in our little savings bag. And next week, we have 1 more round, but I feel like it's going to be a big one because, like I said, Do we have one more or two more rounds? Either way, both of them are going to be big ones because I have lots of side hustle money coming in, guys, like $100 worth. So we are going to be cranking out these challenges left and right. It's going to be a grand finale. You're not going to want to miss it. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video so that I know that you like content like this and I can create more for you guys. Thank you all so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.